Hello guys, welcome to Rakhwal. In this video, we are going to see how to install CrowdStrike Falcon sensors for the Linux. I have the Ubuntu, so I have downloaded the Ubuntu package already, which is in my systems. You can navigate to this page through host setup and management and the sensor download. In this page, there is two important things. One is your package and the second thing is your CID, which you can say your customer ID. So you just have to go to the terminal after downloading the package and just do the ls and see okay package is there. Just type dpkg hyphen I and then package name, which is like Falcon sensor. Click OK. It has unpackaged and created the services for the CrowdStrike. Service name is Falcon hyphen sensors. So after installing the CrowdStrike, we have to add the CID. For the adding CID, I have the command which I will be posting over the comment sections as well, or the either you can get it from the descriptions. Just press the command, it will add our CID in our package. Now you just have to start the service for the CrowdStrike. Let's check and then enable the service. So at the system restart, service won't get resetted. Yeah, service has been enabled. Let's check the status for the cross-site sensors, like sensor has been downloaded or not. So you can see from 13 second sensor has been running and it's active. Let's go to the CrowdStrike consoles and verify the same thing. Go to the host management, you will be able to see the list of hosts where CrowdStrike has been installed. So after refresh, we are able to see the hosts, which is like Ubuntu VMware, and this is the host ID and the first scene, last scene date, platform, OS version, what is the type, external IP, and these many details are there. And you will be getting lot more details like asset is critical or not, what are the policies has been on the device. So I hope you guys like the videos. Let me know if you have any feedbacks. Feel free to type in the comment, and we will work on that. Thanks.